Peter, thanks for joining us in the Hypercube booth at Futurist Conference.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Are you having a good time here?
I am. I'm almost done talking.
I understand, yeah. So what's hot and fresh at BRD?
You know, we get by with a little help from our friends at BRD. You know, one of the things that excites me personally about this space and professionally makes my job easier running partnerships for the company is that it's just much more of a cooperative landscape, right? Baked into the technology itself is a transparency and accountability that allows for very creative ways to structure how user value is delivered, right? So what we do is act often as a retail experience, kind of a last mile consumer beautiful app to bring users to our partners' financial services and products. So we integrate with exchanges and trading platforms and basically know our role, right? So we're the Switzerland of Swiss blockchain companies.
So how does that work, integration with an exchange? What does that mean for the user?
Yeah, so when we look to partners, right, because we have this amazing breadth, 1.2 million users in 160 countries, but we can't be all places at all times. And so we often look for partners who may bring depth in specific markets. So for example, today we just launched an integration with Coinberry here in Canada to bring fiat on-ramps and off-ramps to our Canadian user base. And so for us, it's really, 1 + 1 can equal 3 with the right partners. Now for us, the values that we hold dear as an organization, simplicity, security, privacy, are paramount as we do diligence to select our partners.
Right. Well, Coinberry sounds like a great match because they make it super easy to buy and sell, right? And you make it really easy to store securely.
They have a robust platform and they don't have a native app. Right? And so we can really complement them because some of their users don't want a web app, don't want a central database protecting their assets, right? They want to access, make a transaction, and then have that asset returned to the protection of the non-custodial BRD wallet. And so with these partnerships, our wallet has become much more of a portal or a gateway into the world of crypto-backed financial services, where they may go into a centralized authority or a place that might have a honeypot to get hacked or data to hand a government or a different actor. But as soon as the transaction is complete, the asset returns to the protection of the BRD wallet where they are in control. And so we've just found great success with that model. So we know we can't build everything because we're only a certain number of humans and a certain number of keyboards. And so we rely on our partners to bring in innovative products and services. And so Coinberry expanding our fiat footprint here in Canada is a wonderful thing. We're integrating with Coinify to bring SEPA services to our users in Europe. And so what we do is just select best-in-class partners where our solutions and our platforms truly complement each other.
And I've heard some rumors about a platform that has to do with ICOs. Can you tell me something about that?
BRD Secure Checkout had a stealth launch today. We were on stage publicly praising our Coinberry partnership, but in stealth mode we've launched a BRD Secure Checkout platform. So BRD, when we did our token event last December, we were not satisfied with the state of the industry for user experience for investors, right? There's copying and pasting and tons of steps and lots of friction for someone to go from an interest to an investment, right? And so there's also fake websites and phishing scams and spam, right? And by actually running the ICO inside of our native app, we're able to kind of bring that privacy and that security to the checkout flow and the delightful user experience. And so for the investor, a more beautiful checkout flow, more confidence that they're investing in the right place. For the ICO issuer themselves, we take a lot of the heavy lifting off of their plate, right? We are localized in multiple languages around the world. We have 24/7 customer support. We have other integrations that allow for the investor to participate with a credit card, right? And so we can almost daisy chain the other integrations in our platform to meet the customer where they are, to let them use the payment method of their choice, and to actually invest with confidence in the project that they want.
Right, and it's also a kind of a stamp of approval, right, to see?
So yes, and we do our diligence. Like any of our partners, we only want quality in our platform. And so if a partner has chosen BRD Secure Checkout, we have done our diligence. We've looked at their lawyers and their advisors and their private sale investors, the pedigree of the founding team, and so we have a scoring rubric that we use to qualify who we bring this service to. But what the service really is a payments technology provider, right? We provide a better checkout flow, almost like paying with PayPal on an e-commerce website, right? And so by putting the BRD Secure Checkout kind of button on the website, all of these things are unlocked. And so we're rolling it out. We couldn't be more excited, and look out for more to come.
Sounds fantastic. I'll be following closely. Thanks a lot.